The Oxford Journey from Jones Healthcare is a compact folding stand aid with a safe working load of 155 kilograms or 24 stone. As an active style lift, the client must have a good degree of weight-bearing ability and be able to participate during the lift and transfer process. To fold the Journey, begin by lowering the boom to its lowest position. Apply both brakes. Close the legs using the right-hand foot pedal. Pull back the cow horn trigger and rotate the cow horn into the fold position as indicated by the decal. Adjust the footrest into its highest position. Finally, release the mast lock lever and lift the mast up before carefully folding down into position. An audible click will be heard as it locks into position. To unfold, apply some pressure to the top of the lift and release the unfold catch. Carefully raise the mast into an upright position and allow it to locate into place. Pull back the cow horn trigger and rotate the cow horn into one of the 3 usable positions. Next, lower the footrest into position before securing the mast locking lever to finish. The Journey is now ready for use. The unique adjustable cow horn can be set at 3 different heights to accommodate a range of client sizes. Simply pull back the trigger and rotate the cow horn up or down until it locks into the desired position. The contoured knee pad is height adjustable and can be fitted with a leg restraining belt for additional support. To adjust the height, lift the blue lever and manoeuvre the knee pad up or down. Lower the blue lever to lock into position. To power on the lift, ensure the red emergency stop button is released. To raise and lower the cow horn, simply depress the up or down buttons on the handset. When not in use, the handset can be placed on the convenient handle-mounted clip. As a backup to the handset, redundant controls are located on the control box. In an emergency, all power can be cut from the lift by depressing the red emergency stop button. The cow horn can still be lowered by lifting the red emergency switch located on the actuator. The Smart Monitor Diagnostic control box provides a wealth of usage data for your lift. This consists total number of lift cycles completed, work completed by the actuator, number of attempted lifts in excess of the maximum safe working load, service counter showing the number of days since the last service. An additional visual prompt will alert the user when a service is due. Oxford has a choice of 2 slings compatible with the Journey, the Deluxe Standing and Deluxe Transport slings. The Oxford Deluxe Standing sling is designed to raise a client from a seated to fully standing position. The sling is attached to the cow horn by securing the loops to the hooks as shown. The spring clips ensure no inadvertent detachment. Prior to raising the client, asking them to look up towards the ceiling during the lift will help ensure the sling does not ride up and cause unnecessary discomfort. To lower the client back into a seated position, simply depress the lower button on the handset. The Deluxe Transport sling is designed to raise and transfer patients in a seated position. The sling is attached to the cow horn by securing the underarm loops to the hooks. The leg straps are attached to the secondary hooks mounted at the back of the cow horn. Raise the client just clear of their seat and transfer accordingly. Use the foot push pad to help initiate forward momentum. Position the client over the desired surface and carefully lower them into position. The footrest is easily removed to facilitate rehab and gait training as well as for cleaning. When not in use, it is recommended to keep the battery on charge. Simply unclip the battery pack from the lift and place on a separate charging station. Both the lift and charger use the same clip mechanism to secure the battery in place. To assist with warranty support or scheduled servicing, the serial number can be found behind the left-hand rear caster.